Marine Group. We are smack dab in the center of Charleston Harbor. Figured I'd come out and just do a quick video. It's a little bit windy today, and you can see a little bit of the rollers and chop that we've got in the harbor going on here today. Not usually like this. It's usually pretty calm, but we got a really strong south wind and probably an incoming tide at this point, which is making up that chop. You can see that right here we've got the battery, all of the old historic homes. Got the yacht club right there, and you can kind of see off in the distance why this is called the Holy City, because the only thing you see are church steeples. Right down there is Waterfront Park, and obviously the Ravenel Bridge. We hit that on our tour too, as well as coming over there. We've got the Yorktown in the background. That's Patriots Point, and right here that's Castle Pinckney, and just beyond that is Shem Creek. And we head further out into the channel, or into the harbor, and Sullivan's Island is right over there, and that's the Atlantic Ocean. Fort Sumter is right there. And during our harbor tours, we head out there and give you guys a little history of that as well. And right here is where Fort Johnson used to be, and we also talk about that. Fort Moultrie's just on the other side, right about there on Sullivan's Island. So get a really good view of the harbor and what this whole town is kind of made up of. So great idea when you guys come down to give us a call. Take you guys out on a tour, and when it warms up a bit, of course it's March right now, and it's beautiful out. Shorts and a t-shirt with just a little bit of wind. Go good swimming and hanging off the boat. It's a great time, so give us a call.